There are 5 basic strokes when using the Thai herbal ball that it's a good idea to practice using a dry one before you have it hot and steamed in order to get the feel for it before you do your first treatment. Those 5 movements are stamping, which is the first one you use, and then rolling and rocking and dragging and stationary. And I'll show you all those 5 right now. It's a good idea to practice separately with a dry herbal ball. First of all, get a good grip. I'm doing this without a protective covering, a washcloth, just to show you a better idea of how it's gripped. Grip it with your hand like a softball, and the stamping, which is always the first move because it's applying it to the skin for the shortest period of time when it's the hottest. As soon as you take it out of the steamer, use stamping, so to make sure it's not on the person's skin for too long. And the stamping in Thailand is pretty vigorous. We have a tendency to go nice and gently, but they use it pretty vigorously, stamping especially over well-tissued areas, thicker muscles like we have on the back, the legs. Stamping is like this. It's the first move that you do each time. The second move that you'll do is called rocking, starting on one side and then moving to the other and moving in the direction, rocking in the direction that you're moving the herbal ball. So if you come back, you'll be rocking it this direction. The next move is called rolling. Imagine there's a point on the bottom of the herbal ball. It's staying in one point and pivoting around that point, rolling around that point. So in a way, it is a pressure point massage, pinpoint massage in one spot, but it's rolling around that spot. So you're not keeping the heat in only one spot alone. The fourth movement is stationary pressure moving in. If you find a spot, as you would during a regular Swedish massage or a deep tissue, that feels like it needs more work, use pressure and a little bit of pushing in beneath the surface, even with the side of the herbal ball, to get in that area, penetrating the heat and the pressure at the same time. Lastly is dragging, placing the bottom of the herbal ball on the skin and with some pressure, gentle but firm, and then pulling it in only one direction, up, or if you're on a limb, it would be towards the heart, then coming off the skin and doing it again. This is done only after the ball is cooled down, usually for 2 to 3 minutes at least. And those are the 5 basic maneuvers. It's a good idea to practice it with a dry herbal ball first.